good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we have the debut of the new Bentley Mulliner Batur as the most powerful model in their history. Yes, Bentley is transforming into an electric-only brand, but the company isn't giving up on the internal combustion engine just yet. It's quite clear today because they've unveiled the most powerful car in their history. Known as the Bentley Mulliner Batur, the model is a luxurious Grand Touring coupe that features an upgraded version of the company's familiar twin-turbo 6-liter W12. And while the engine is entering its twilight years, it's not dead yet, so engineers equipped it with a new intake, upgraded turbochargers, beefy intercoolers, and numerous recalibrations. Now, they didn't stop there, as the engine was also outfitted with a titanium exhaust, which comes complete with 3D printed titanium finishers. Now, thanks to all these changes, the engine produces more than 730 horsepower, 544 kilowatts, 740 PS, and 737 pound-feet, 1,000 newton-meters of torque. That's at least 80 horsepower, 60 kilowatts, 81 PS, and 74 pound-feet, 100 newton-meters more than a Continental GT Speed, which can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour or 0 to 96 in 3.5 seconds before hitting a top speed of 208 miles per hour, 335 kilometers an hour. Now, while Bentley declined to release detailed performance specifications for the Batur, the engine is connected to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, and the model also comes equipped with 4-wheel steering, torque vectoring, and an electronic limited slip differential. Now, other performance features include an adaptive air suspension and an electric active anti-roll control system, which can provide up to 959 pound-feet, 1,300 newton-meters of anti-roll in a mere 0.3 seconds. Now, the model also sports a Carbon-Silicon-Carbide or CSIC braking system that features 10 piston calipers and 17.3 inches 440 millimeter disc up front, as well as 4 piston calipers and 16.1 inches 410 millimeter disc out back. Now, besides the most powerful Bentley in their history, the Batur is also notable for featuring a modernized design that will ultimately guide the styling direction for the company's upcoming EVs. And the automaker didn't go into many specifics, but noted that the car has been equipped with an updated grille that is lower and more upright for a strong and confident appearance. And the model also has an endless bonnet or endless hood, as well as a minimalist design for the headlights that are described as an evolution of those used on the Batur. Now, moving further back, you can see edgy bodywork and a pronounced shoulder line. Designers also moved the car's visual mass rearward for a sportier and more muscular aesthetic. And other notable highlights include a power deployable spoiler and 22-inch wheels that are unique to the model. Now, buyers will also find a front splitter, aerodynamic side skirts, and a rear diffuser that can also be crafted in either carbon fiber or natural fiber composite. Now, production will be limited to just 18 units, and all of them have already been spoken for despite the base price of £1.65 million, $1.95 million, or 1.94 million euros. Each will be designed collaboratively with its owner, and they'll all be specific for a color and finish of virtually every surface of the Batur. Now, for the exterior alone, there's a traditional Mulliner color palette, as well as fully bespoke options and even hand-painted graphics. Buyers can also choose between light, dark, satin, gloss, or titanium exterior bodywork. Another option is a graduated contrast color grille for a vibrant ombre effect. Now, the interior is extensively customizable, as well as clients can order everything from natural carbon fiber composite veneers to more traditional wood trim. And if that isn't special enough, certain controls are available in 3D printed 18 karat gold. And once customers create their ideal vehicle, it will be handcrafted over the course of several months by Mulliner. And if everything goes to plan, first delivery should occur mid-2023 next year. So with that said, what do you guys think about the most powerful Bentley ever? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the new Bentley Mulliner Batur. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down in the description below. We have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rides merch. You guys want to get hoodies, you want to get stickers, coffee mugs, pillows, everything Ron's Rides is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.